Welcome to CEOIntronet TV. I'm Andrea Moran. We are joined today by Rich Durante, President of Thai National. Rich, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Andrea. It's great to be here.
How does Thai National help clients with multi-location businesses manage their technology infrastructure?
Andrea, what we like to do is we've developed a five-step program, what we call a five-step program to partnership. We like to work with our customers to become really a partnership rather than a vendor. And we do that through this five-step program, which includes collaboration, it includes design, implementation, process evaluation, and ongoing service and support. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Collaboration. The first thing we do with a customer is we sit down with their IT group and their facilities people, and we try to understand their business. We try to understand what it is they're trying to do in their branch offices or their franchises. What's important to them? What kind of information needs to flow between the corporate office and back to the franchise or the branch office? How do they communicate with their customers? How does their phone service work? So once we understand all that, then we go back to our staff. We work with our project managers, our engineering staff, and we create a scope of work. A very detailed scope of work that outlines exactly how everything should be installed. Now, sometimes we're doing complete installations. Sometimes we might be just doing a rollout. That rollout might be adding wireless access points or cleaning up their data facilities. But either way, a detailed scope of work is put together, then goes into implementation. We have over 900 subcontracting companies across the country, so we can install service anywhere in the country. It doesn't matter where it is. That includes Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico. We even did a job in Guam for one of our global shipping companies. So the installation is then handled by our project manager. Our project manager then works with the local branch, works with the corporate people, keeps them informed, works with their other vendors, works with their general contractors if it's a new construction, and has meetings every week with that local contact and with the general contractor to make sure everything's going smooth and on time. Once we've done a few of them, then we go back and we kind of look at the process. What can we improve? Can we bring in some cost-saving items? Can we introduce new data products or new services that might save them money? Or can we help them improve their communications with their customers? Then, of course, is the ongoing service. We provide full help desk services. So if something does go wrong, and something will with your technology, they have one person to call. And then we can go through what's the problem. We can dispatch a technician. So that ongoing service is very important to our customers.
What industries do you typically serve?
Typically, the technology that we sell and service really transcends industries. We really don't pick a particular industry, but any customer that has multi-locations is our customer. It could be a franchise, it could be a rental car company, it could be a charity organization with offices across the country. Anybody that has technology and has technology growth issues is a perfect candidate for us.
What sets Thai apart from the competition?
You know, I think the way I like to explain that is we're not a product-centric company. We don't go in with a preconceived notion of that you should buy this particular phone system or you should use this network setup. We go in and understand what the customer needs and what the customer uses, and we offer that service. We have customers that have many different types of setups across the country, and one of the things we could offer them is we can service all of it. As long as I know what it is and where it is, we go back through our subcontractor base and we set it all up, so now no matter what kind of phone system you have, we could service it. Even if you want to change them out, even if we don't get the new sale, we'll service that old equipment. So that really is what set us apart. You know, I'd like to say we have better service than everyone else. Everyone says that. But, you know, better service and great service these days is just not enough.
What are your predictions for the next phase in technological advancements?
Well, I think a lot of that, in my industry, a lot of that has to do with speed, has to do with mobile apps, has to do with virtual offices. I think you're going to see in the near future more and more virtual office setups. I think you're going to see more, obviously, apps on phones, and you need to access all your data on a phone. You need to access it on your tablet. No matter where you are, you need access to it. And I think the way the internet is rolling out and the speeds are increasing, I just think that's where everything is going. Now, most of that is already here, but it takes time. I also think more and more people are going to be using the cloud for not only their phone service, but for storage, for virtual offices. And that just is exploding right now. And that's where it's going, I think.
Wonderful. We're going to end on that note. And thank you so much for joining us here today on CEO Internet Television.
Thank you very much.
And I wish you all continued success.
Thank you very much.